up, you guys? bakerXderek here, coming at you from beautiful Riverside, California, aka River Cunt, California, aka my dirty second city, aka who gives a shit. This little kid is mobbing a scooter. Kicked it with my buddy Chris again today. Mobbed the little dually all the way out here since, you know, the shitty oil leak on the ZX. Sucks. I spent so much money getting that them damn fairings and like the broken fairing thing and the broken ram mount fixed, and then all of a sudden the motor just wants to jizz oil all over my fucking tire. Depressing. Riverside Popo, baby. Since I'm on this, I gotta take side streets and shit. But what's also cool is like I can take like, you know, like can jump curbs and shit on this bike. So help me get places quicker. Oh yeah, there's a Star Cunts right here. Their parking lot goes through. See, that's what I'm talking about. GSXR right there. Hey, I hope no one hits my ass. Right turn only, my fucking asshole. You can tell this city looks a lot different than San Bernardino. It's a lot cleaner. It's a real clean. You know, it's funny, every time I see a scooter, whoa, I always think of the Fagios from fucking Grand Theft Auto. Ooh, it's gonna be a tight fit. Like a hooker's first day at work. Damn, there's actually some fucking police cars around here. It's not good. Not good at all. Police officer, baby. Thanks, man. What's the cop be like? They can't lane split in Riverside, but everywhere else you can. 20-mile ride home, or more like 25-mile ride home on side streets. That should take a minute, maybe even 2. Man, I have all kinds of memories that go through my head in the city. You guys ever go somewhere that you haven't been in a while, and then like you just look at landmarks even, and they give you like photogenic like memories and whatnot? As a matter of fact, I'm at my old house. I want to see that shit. Oh, it's not old right here. But I think I've seen motorcycle popo radar on the street. That's how you get through traffic real quick. Not real quick, real quick. If you guys recall a ghost story that I told you guys on a previous video of mine, where I lifted my buddy up on my shoulders and we got a ghost on camera. I'm actually right by that cemetery, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. Who knows, maybe I can jump up there with my hands and do a pull up and get an inside look. She looks like she's fed up with life and the way things are going. She's like, I hate everything. Who's this bitch behind me? My head hurts. One of these days I'm gonna romp this thing up Mount Rubidoux to the cross up there on the very top. Because it is a walking trail, but I'd probably get a fat ticket. Like I'm talking fat. Yeah guys, here's the creepy cemetery. Now you guys think the other cemetery was creepy? Or it looks creepy anyway? This one, oh man. This is when we played the Ouija boards on the cemeteries. There's the building where it happened. Where my buddy saw the ghost. Ooh, it's open too. Yeah, that's creepy. That must be the guy that burns the bodies. He's on to roast the corpse's mushroom tips. But yeah, there's that grave in here, I think even from the 1700s. Oh, what? They have this all barred off now. Fuck, how do I get up there? I'm gonna have to mob it. I'm a fat ass. Yeah, remember you see those two stackers coming off? That's like the crematory room, and it was like 12 o'clock at night. And, oh, actually... 1927, 1881, 1895, 1911, 1871. Jeez. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, there it is. I got the creeps just looking at this shit. Oh fuck, I left my keys on the bike. Like a dumb dickhead. Oh god. I don't think I've been here for like over... probably almost since that happened. There it is. That window right there on the top left, I was standing there, he was on my shoulders, it was busted, he put his arm in there, took a picture, saw it, jumped off my shoulders, ran this way, around the corner, and booked it about a block that way, and we're like, what the fuck? And all that. And one of the graves we played the Ouija's on was like, I think these ones. And right there you can see the beautiful Mount Rubidoux, big cross up there. It's a cool little hiking trail. Oh fuck! I almost did a face plant into a dead guy's goody hole. So yeah, we have that. And these plots are like right on the corner of this thing. Make that swift 180 turn real quick though. Oh, that's sad. Lady's like crawling over that grave and stuff. Must be an old husband. Here's another cool little fun fact, yes, is there's actually tunnels that start right here that actually go all underneath the city, and there's supposedly like all sorts of like bones and stuff piled up underneath the city, and they're cemented off right now though. Oh shit, there's about some new shit right here. Man, my brake pads are good. I don't know why the fuck they're squeaking. Ugh. Yeah, look at this, guys. These caves right here. Rumor has it that they go all throughout the city. There's all kinds of wicked shit, and I would love to explore them someday. I mean, it'd be scary, but just think of that. Man, it looks a lot different. Actually, hollowed this out. But back time I was here, it was just all dirt, and it was like broken bricks in the back, and it still looked like something like would be creepy there. Government and corporate sponsor 5,000, 25,000. I was just talking about the people who sponsor this shit. Oh shit, this is a one-way. Shit, I'm stupid. Fucking busting that dumbass. Who else but bakerXderek? It's D-Rock. Giddy, 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 giddy. Let's ride bikes. See a castle up there and a flag? It's pretty cool. Damn, that house is dope. Fuck. I want to live there. Man, there's literally a stop sign on every block out here. Yep. So what we're gonna do is take the lovely route of Magnolia, which turns into Market, and it actually goes all the way to San Bernardino, so you can actually take one road all the way to San Bernardino from here. It's kind of cool. Yeah. Live, work, condo rentals. That's dope. That'd be perfect for me for my moto vlogging. Get a little barbecue out on the deck and work in there. There's so many beautiful areas out here for dual sports, it's not even funny. There's so many cool little areas just to go kick back at. Just sit and relax and enjoy scenery. Fuck! See all that traffic right there? That's the fucking shittiest thing about Riverside though. It's like so bad at traffic. I could say equals LA traffic. It's so crappy. Well, at least you can lane split if you have a bike, so chill. Total exhaust. Right here, I think the Santa Ana River runs underneath this. Yeah, right there, you can see it. Beautiful little natural piece of shit. There's a go-kart track right there, aka supermoto track if you want to make it that. Drunk guys just walking around with beer in their hands. The norm. All these nice little hills around here. Oof. Ooh, it smells like a skunk's assholes rubbed all over the ground. That's all I can smell. Oh, what the fuck is that coming from? Must be coming from one of these like factories. Look at that ATV with fucking rims on it. Actual car tire. What a waste of an ATV. The fuck is a horse crossing sign? It's a fucking golf cart. Ooh, this is like that level 10 lane splitting. Oh my god, look at that. I feel sorry for anybody driving a car right now. So guys, I saw electric motorcycles on like the one that really caught my eye is one I saw on Jay Leno's Garage YouTube channel. And I don't care for Jay Leno's show too much. Like Jay Leno and who's the old dude? I'm having a brain fart right now so bad. David motherfucking Letterman. That's that dickhead I'm trying to think of. Well, anyways, I was watching that on electric motorcycles, and I gotta say, it looks cool, yeah, but, well, who wants a quiet bike? I ain't waiting around for no other bitches. I mean, it would be cool to have an electric bike, but I couldn't spend the money on it because, yeah, it's good for the environment, but what's one dickhead riding one bike gonna do? You know, how many dickheads are really gonna buy some fucking expensive ass electric powered motorcycle? I do understand though there are people that do like them, but I mean, part of riding is like hearing that motor rumble between your legs and feeling it rumble between your legs and shit. You know, it's just hearing that, just all the fucking components of that, all that fucking piston compression just roaring, man. That's the shit I'm talking about. Like, I have to always have a motor, a gas motor, always. I don't think I can ever, not even like a gas electric. I have to have just a straight up raw motor. I love that. Oh shit, I needed to make a right roll here. Fuck, I'm trying to make it right now, but I can't. Oh man, I hope no cops are around. But as far as electric bikes go, what do you guys think? Would you guys mob them around? I probably would if they were given to me. Oh look guys, there's that bowling alley that you guys were telling me to go check out. I'm gonna go ahead and get some fucking good old Mickey D's. It's funny, I haven't been eating McDonald's in forever. I just got right back on the McDonald's train. It's real good. That's going to go ahead and conclude today's dual sport adventure. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the out of that like button, and you guys have a good day.